Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to navigate the interface of Adobe After Effects CS6 and how to create a new composition in the Adobe After Effects CS6. This is the window panel of Adobe After Effects CS6. This is the menu bar. This is the toolbar. In this toolbar you will find entire tool sets which are used to edit your composition, and three panels, which is project panel, composition panel and the timeline panel. Firstly, before creating a new composition, we need to create a new project. In order to create a new project, go to File, New Project. This is the new project. In this new project you will find all empty panels. In this project panel, we can import files or footages which are used for our composition. To import files or footages, go to File, Import and just click on File, or else press Ctrl+I, or you can even double click on this project panel and you can select your desired footages. Here I have been selected a video format file which is a Windows Media type format, and the size of this video file is 25 MB. The duration of this file is 30 seconds and 1 frame, and the file path has been given here. This is the composition panel where we can see the final output from our composition. This is the timeline where you can arrange the imported files in a layer form. Now we will see how to create a new composition. In order to create a new composition, go to Composition and just click on New Composition. The shortcut for creating a new composition is Ctrl+N. After clicking on the new composition, you will find Composition Settings. The composition settings has the following options. Firstly, composition name. It is used to assign a name to the composition. I am giving as first comp. Preset. It contains all the standard frame sizes, and the appropriate one can be selected according to the requirement of the work. Width. It is used to define the horizontal measurement of the frame size. Height. It is used to define the vertical measurement of the frame size. Pixel aspect ratio. It defines the ratio between height and width of an individual pixel within the composition. You can even select the defined presets according to requirement of the work. Frame rate. This parameter defines the frame rate for the composition timeline. Resolution. This parameter defines the resolution for your composition. It contains full, half, third, quarter and custom. Start time code. It defines the time code from where the timer starts in the composition timeline. Duration. The duration of the timeline can be adjusted using these parameters. The last two zeros indicates the frames, and the next two numbers indicates the seconds, and the next two zeros indicates the minutes and the next 0 indicates the hours. Background color. Here you can define your required background color for the composition. After defining all the options for your composition settings, just click on OK. Now a new composition has been created with the name first comp, and the timeline is created for 15 seconds, and this one will call as time slider or timeline cursor. To import your footage into the composition, you need to select the file, click and drag and drop it into the timeline. The output of the file can be seen in the composition window. In the next lesson, we will learn the workflow of layers.